Chola administration, central government. The Cholas had an excellent system of administration. The emperor or king was at the top of the administration. The extent and resources of the Chola Empire increased the power and prestige of monarchy. The big capital cities like Tanjore and Gangaikonda Cholapuram, the large royal courts and extensive grants to the temples revealed the authority of the king. They undertook royal tours to increase the efficiency of the administration. There was elaborate administrative machinery comprising various officials called Perundanam and Sirudanam. Sirudanam or Perundanam. Revenue. The land revenue department was well organized. It was called Puruvvarithinayakalam. All lands were carefully surveyed and classified for assessment of revenue. The residential portion of the village was called Ornattam. These and other lands, such as lands belonging to temples, were exempted from tax. Besides land revenue, there were tolls and customs on goods taken from one place to another. Various kinds of professional taxes, dues levied on ceremonial occasions like marriages and judicial fines. During the hard times, there were remission of taxes, and Kulotunga I became famous by abolishing tolls and earned the title Sungam Tavirat Tavirt Cholan. तविर्त चोलन कुलोटुंगा वन की बात हो रही है. The main items of government expenditure were the king and his court, army and navy, roads, irrigation tanks, and canals. Military administration. The Cholas maintained a regular standing army consisting of elephants, cavalry, infantry, and navy. About 70 regiments were mentioned in the inscription. The royal troops were called Kaikolaperum Padai. Within this, there was a personal troop to defend the king known as Velaikarar. Attention was given to the training of the army, and military cantonments called Kadagams existed. The Cholas paid attention to their navy. The naval achievements of the Tamils reached its climate under the Cholas. They controlled the Malabar and Coromandel coast. In fact, the Bay of Bengal became a Chola lake for some time. Provincial administration. The Chola Empire was divided into mandalams and each mandalam into valandus, valanadus, and nadus. In each nadu, there were a number of autonomous villages. The royal princes or officers were in charge of mandalams. The Valanadu was under Periyanattar and Nadu under Nattar. The town was known as Nagaram and it was under the administration of a council called Nagarattar. Village assemblies. The system of village autonomy with subas and their committees developed through the ages and reached its culmination during the Chola period. Two inscriptions belonging to the period, Paranthak found at Uttairamerur, provide details of the formation and functions of village councils. The village was divided into 30 wards and each was to nominate its member to the village council. The qualifications to become a ward member were ownership of at least one-fourth valley of land, own a residence above 30 years and below 70 years of age, knowledge of Vedas. However, certain norms of disqualification were also mentioned in the inscriptions. They were those who had been members of committees for the past 3 years, those who had failed to submit accounts as committee members, those who had committed sins, those who had stolen the property of others. From the persons duty nominated, sorry, from the persons duly nominated, one was to be chosen from each ward by Kodavolai system for a year. The names of eligible persons were written on palm leaves and put into a pot. A young boy and or girl would take out 30 names each from one ward. They were divided into 6 variums such as Samvat Saravarium, Erivarium, Thottavarium, Panchvarium, Ponvarium, and Purava Puravuvarivariyam to take up 6 different functions of the village administration. The committee members were called Variyaperumakal. Variyaperumkal. They usually met in the temples or under a tree and passed resolutions. The number of committees and ward members varied from village to village. इसके बाद हम सोशियो इकोनॉमिक लाइफ देखेंगे.